The old interior needed an upgrade. I started with the lower door panels. I used some old flooring that I had left over from an earlier project and trimmed the pieces to the proper size for the panels. I used an old lid to give me the radius desired on the corners. After the panels were trial fit, it was time to cover them. Mounting holes were drilled into the panel, and the completed lower door panel was installed in the truck after the interior was painted. I had painted the original upper door panels red. They looked all right, but I decided that covering them with the same material as the seat would look even nicer. I purchased additional material from the upholstery shop that made the seat for the truck and glued it to the panel. The glue I used did not like the painted surface very well, and a portion of the material was damaged during the learning process. I then removed the paint from the upper door panels and tried again, after getting more material. This time, I used a different glue as well. The material was trimmed to the proper size and glued in various steps to the panel. I think the upper panels turned out well. The old steering wheel was replaced with a Lucara 3-spoke Mark IV style wheel covered in red leather. An aluminum steering wheel adapter mounts the wheel and allows horn functionality. The cab was insulated with flatline barrier before the carpet installation. The carpet I used was manufactured by Auto Custom Carpets. The carpet was generally cut and shaped for the truck and came with a carpet pad adhered to the back of the carpet. After placing the carpet, holes were marked and cut into the carpet for the shift lever, seat mounting bolts, and seat belt mounts. I heated a small socket and used it to burn holes into the carpet. This method melts the carpet threads and prevents unraveling. The carpet was then trimmed for an exact fit. New door sills were installed and the console was added. The building of the console will be discussed in the next video. The seat was then installed. The seat was built by Snowden Custom Seats in Haltom City, Texas. The seat arrived well packaged and I was very pleased with the seat frame construction and the beautiful upholstery work. The seat design I chose is called the Double Diamond Yoke, and it is covered with American Beauty faux leather. The truck did not have armrests when new. After seeing all the cracks in the doors from hard service, I thought it might be best to add armrests to the truck to help when closing the doors, as well as more comfort when driving. I purchased some aftermarket armrests from Classic Parts of America and installed them. These armrests are from a 1955 Chevrolet.